Hello, people. As we complete a year of having Spark and Spot with us, we wanted to celebrate this journey with all our viewers who have supported us and given Spark and Spot so much love. Thank you very much. As you and she was very, very tiny and skin and bones when she first arrived. And eventually she grew up well and she's all healthy now. This is Spot, the naughty one, the notorious one. From the very point he arrived, there's not been one day Spark and Spot have ever been away from each other. Spark has always been a good girl. She hasn't given us much trouble, but she's very, very lazy. This is the first time we took Spark out for a walk, and she seemed to be enjoying it. And even now when we go out for a walk, this field is her zoomies field. She can go on and on and on, at least about 15 to 20 zoomies until she gets tired. Otherwise there is no way one can stop her. This was Spark's first car ride, at least a long ride, and she was pretty nervous at first, but then she eventually grew into it and she enjoyed her ride all along. This is our happy boy. He's a German Shepherd. Spark is only about 2 months older than Happy, but the difference in size makes Spark take care of Happy altogether. She's like a big sister to him. Training them wasn't very hard, as Spot usually learns very quickly, but for Spark, maybe she does not understand some commands, or maybe just she is plain lazy. We use treats as motivation, training them, and it worked pretty well with Spot. As you can see right here, he's learned the trick of rolling over. But with Spark, she does not want to roll over, or maybe she just learned that she only needs to focus on treats. Nothing more, only treats. How do your dogs react to training them with treats? Let us know. As said earlier, they are inseparable. As you can see it right here, Spot actually used to sleep on Spark. As everybody with dogs play fetch, Spot plays fetch very well, but with Spark, she just chases Spot around. She forgets what the toy is, what she wants, but she just chases Spot. And when we get new stuff at home, like we have to open it up and test it, Spot is always around to test it for us as well. And sometimes he ends up breaking those stuff for us. As we all know, Spot loves water, so every about 2 minutes after playing, or within the moment of play, if he sees the tap open, someone using the basin at all, he just jumps right onto it and wants to drink all the water he can, and he does not stop until the tap closes off. Spot is an aqua dog, and also this is the case where I have come across Great Dane owners who have at least 2 Great Danes. They always contradict each other. Same is here as well. Spot loves water. Spark always tends to stay away from it. You might notice that Spot wants to eat into the water or bite into it. Do your dogs do that as well, or do your Great Danes do that as well? Let us know below in the comments. Thanks guys, and if you have any questions regarding Great Danes or any kind of queries, please leave your comments in the comment section and we can answer it for you.